So we're going to look at something called print PDF or print to PDF. It's a way of saving something that's digital in a PDF format straight away, so you can print it out later or just store it in a folder in a self-contained document, rather than having lots of images around, rather than having lots of paperwork in a folder. It's a nice, convenient way of storing things. What we're going to look at now is maybe you've received an email with attachment, or the email itself is a receipt for a software or a service that you've purchased. Maybe it's got license keys in it, maybe it's got information in it. And rather than leave it in your email for it to get lost in the myriad of emails in your mailbox, you want to save it as a PDF, you want to put it in a folder called certificates or certificate keys or something along those lines, or receipts, and maybe you need to send it to your accountant. So we're going to open up my demo Gmail account. And we're going to show you how to print an email as a PDF. Now, if you use Gmail or Outlook or any other webmail, this process is going to be very much similar. It's going to be pretty much across the board. If you get stuck or need a hand, obviously drop us a message and we can certainly help you out with it. So we're just going to use our demo email from Google, which Google have kindly sent us. We're going to go up to here to the little print icon, little printer. We're going to hit print. It's going to give us a printable version of our email. And now, because this machine doesn't actually have a printer attached, it's going to default to OneNote, which we don't want, but we want to save as PDF with a drop down. So you click on the options, and we go save as PDF. So we click on that one. It's going to tell us how many pages it is. It's going to tell us we want it in landscape. Sorry, we want it in portrait. That's the process that the email has appeared. Once we've done that, we're going to hit save. It's going to default the file name to the actual subject of the email. Now, I find that really helpful. It may be helpful for you, or you can reset it here. Obviously, it's going to pick where you want to save it. So hit PDF file, hit save. It's going to go ahead and save that in the background. Now, unlike when you do this from a Word document, it won't open the file for you. So double check that it's there by going to where you saved it. We're going to grab it here from our downloads folder, which is where we saved the PDF. And then there we go. So we've got our email. So we've got the date the file was created. The title of the file is also put on the PDF for us for reference, which is always helpful. And then it's literally the email as we saw it in that printable version is here in the PDF. Now what you can do, you can save this PDF any way you need to. You can send it to someone. It's yours for safekeeping.